Everyone says hybrids save money. But after running the numbers across 100,000 miles, the answer completely changes depending on who's driving. For some drivers, hybrids are financial genius. For others, they're an expensive mistake hiding behind a fuel economy sticker. Hybrid technology didn't explode because automakers suddenly became environmental heroes. It happened because the industry was cornered. Fuel prices surged, governments tightened emissions and fuel economy regulations like CAFE standards. And manufacturers realized one thing very quickly: people buy MPG numbers. Suddenly, efficiency became the biggest marketing weapon in the automotive industry. Cars like the Toyota Prius transformed into symbols of smart financial ownership. And on paper, the promise looked unbeatable. Spend more upfront, save money on fuel, come out ahead long term. For many urban commuters, that logic actually works. But once these vehicles leave controlled EPA testing environments and enter real-world driving conditions, the financial equation becomes a lot less predictable. Here's the catch. Official fuel economy ratings are achieved under controlled testing conditions: smooth acceleration, moderate temperatures, controlled speeds, and minimal traffic variation. Take a Toyota Corolla hybrid rated near 50 miles per gallon. In slow city traffic, it performs extremely well. But sustained highway driving at 75 to 80 miles per hour changes the equation quickly. At those speeds, the gasoline engine handles most of the workload while the battery system becomes extra weight being carried down the highway. The efficiency advantage still exists, but the gap narrows dramatically. Then weather starts interfering. Cold temperatures force many hybrid systems to run the gasoline engine more frequently just to maintain cabin heat and battery temperature. Extreme summer heat can also increase engine usage to support air conditioning loads. Short trips create another problem. If the engine and battery system never fully reach operating temperature, fuel economy can fall well below the numbers advertised on the window sticker. And once elevation changes enter the picture, steep hills, mountain roads, aggressive climbs, battery charge levels fluctuate constantly, making fuel economy far less consistent than many buyers expect. That's the part most marketing never mentions. Hybrid efficiency depends heavily on how, where, and how often the vehicle is driven. Fuel economy matters, but it's only one part of the ownership equation. The moment you start calculating total cost of ownership, the numbers become more complicated. Insurance premiums for hybrid models are often slightly higher because replacement parts and specialized repairs can cost more. Battery systems also add weight. Over time, that additional mass can contribute to increased tire wear compared to similar gasoline-only vehicles. Then comes the expense most buyers hope they never see: battery replacement. Modern hybrid battery systems are far more reliable than older designs, and many survive well beyond 150,000 miles. But no battery lasts forever. If a battery pack eventually fails outside warranty coverage, replacement costs can range from a few $1,000s to significantly more depending on the model, labor costs, and whether aftermarket or dealer components are used. One major repair can erase years of fuel savings almost instantly, and ownership length changes everything. If you lease a hybrid or replace it every few years, you may never experience those long-term costs. But drivers planning to keep a vehicle for 10 or 15 years are making a completely different financial gamble. Now here's the part many critics ignore. In the right environment, hybrids are incredibly effective. Dense urban traffic is where these systems shine. Every time traffic slows down, regenerative braking recovers energy that traditional gasoline vehicles simply waste as heat. That's why city taxi fleets and rideshare drivers embraced vehicles like the Toyota Prius years ago. In stop-and-go traffic, hybrids can dramatically reduce fuel consumption, brake wear, and idle time waste. For high-mileage urban commuters, the savings are often very real. The mistake is assuming those same results automatically apply to every type of driver. They don't. Hybrid vehicles are not scams, but they are also not guaranteed money-saving machines. For urban commuters, rideshare drivers, and people trapped in heavy traffic every day, hybrid systems can absolutely reduce long-term operating costs. But for long-distance highway commuters or owners planning to keep vehicles deep into high-mileage territory, the financial advantage becomes far less certain. The truth is simple. Hybrid vehicles reward the right owners and disappoint the wrong ones. The problem is most buyers never calculate which category they actually fall into before signing the paperwork. And in the race for efficiency, The most expensive costs are usually the ones nobody notices until years later.